Good morning, student. Welcome to our English conversation class. Please get your student book and open on page 97. Please listen to the next video. Thank you. Hello, student. Good morning. So today we are going to talk about gerund. So if we are going to talk gerund, it is about verb. Verb, ing. Okay. For example, what are those verb with ing? Example, cooking. What else do you know? Eating, reading, writing, swimming, talking, and a lot more. So we have jumping, we have skipping, we have hopping, we have shouting, we have speaking, we have running, and a lot more things about with ing. So these verbs are called gerund. Okay, so what's the rules about using that word? Okay, so that's the one we need to find out. How are we going to use it? Because there's a rules about using it. We cannot just use it according to what we like to do or according we like to speak about it. So in conversation, if you are going to talk about like and don't like or doesn't like, so we have here like, and we have don't or doesn't like, right? So we have here. So for don't, this applicable for I, you, we, and they. Okay. For doesn't, we use it for he, she, and it. Okay, so we have not. The O becomes this apostrophe. So make it short, do not, does not. In short word, we have don't and doesn't. So now we have like and we have don't like and doesn't like. Okay, so this one, it applies the gerund. For example, I like eating mango. For example, I like eating mango. So we have the ing here. So we can also say, I don't like eating mango. We can say, she doesn't like eating mango. Okay. So now, if you have a question, teacher, but sometimes they don't use ing. Yes, it is true. They don't use ing sometimes. So now here, we focus about like and doesn't like, right? But the gerund is also applicable for is, am, and are. So if you use that. So in here, we just have the word like. This one. This is our topic. What like and what we don't like. Okay. So that's what we have. So I like it. So teacher, what if I'm going to use the like but there's no ing? Yes, of course it is applicable to use that. For example, you are going to say I like, but you don't want ing. Yeah? You want the ing to be removed. So I like to eat mango. So every time you have this word, your verb doesn't have ing. No. If you use the word to, I like to eat mango. You cannot say I like to eating mango. That is very wrong. So we have this. I like to eat mango. You don't need to use gerund if you are going to use this to. So in here, you also don't like to have ing in don't and doesn't. So you can have she doesn't like to. So we have that. Eat mango. Okay, it's correct. So both of them, they are correct if you are going to say about you what you like and what you don't like. So that is how the conversation works out. So if you are going to talk about something to make it proper, if you don't like ing, then use the word to. She doesn't like to eat mango. If you said she doesn't like to eating mango, that is very wrong, okay? So you need to have she doesn't like to eat mango. She doesn't like to watch movie. She doesn't like to. So don't forget the to if you are going if you doesn't like to use ing, or if you don't like to use ing, I mean. So you can have to eat mango. So no ing. So this also another rule about this gerund. Okay. Not about the like. So because here we have the like, right? So if we have the like, either we use to or not. So if no to, use ing. If there's to, do not use ing. So here we have um, is, and then are. Okay. So this one is go for I. This one goes for he, she, it. And this one goes for you, we, they. Okay. So if you are going to use these three linking verb in a sentence, you need to have gerund. That is the rule. For example, I am talking. Right now. You cannot say I am talk right now. That is wrong. I am talking right now. Or I am talking to her. I am talking to my friend. I am talking to my mother. So you need, if you have this, do not forget. Next, she is reading a story. We have ing again. She is reading a story. Okay? And then, for example, they. For example, they are camping in Palau. Palau waterfall campsite. For example, that sentence. Sorry, because my whiteboard are very small. So they are camping in Palau Waterfall Campsite. So it will say you have ing again. So that's how we are going to use gerund. For am, is, and are, your verb needs to be with ing. And if only like, then you also need to use ing. So for like and likes, so what's the difference? Another one, rules again. It's always rules. I, you, we, they. This one use like. He, she, it. This one use likes. This one no. That's our rule. She likes eating banana. But if you're going to use don't and doesn't, you need to remember, if not, always use that. She doesn't like, no s. It doesn't like. This is the original you need to use in a sentence. But if there's no not, you are going to go for like. She likes, it likes, he likes. So you have s. But if you use doesn't, it's always like this one without s. If you use the word doesn't, okay? He doesn't like. She doesn't like. It doesn't like. Not this one. This one is only if this is not existing. And then verb ing. I like swimming. You like eating. We like cooking. They like running. He likes eating. She likes jumping. It likes running. So that's what we have. But if you're going to use doesn't, in here, nothing changed. I don't like, you don't like, we don't like, they don't like. In here, something changed because we don't need to use the with s anymore. He doesn't like. She doesn't like. It doesn't like. So that's how we are going to make it. So, in your workbook, student book, I mean, we have this one. So as you can see, we have this rule. No ing for your verb. No ing. Okay? Because of the word to. 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 So there's no ing. In here, correct the sentences, color the corrections. For example, this one. So they color it with yellow. You can color anything. You can color pink, orange, green, blue. It's up to you. So, color the correction. She liked to swims in the water. So, she likes to swim. No s for your verb here in the river. So, Mark don't like to place on the beach. So, Mark, what is Mark? He or she? Huh? You can see he, right? So if he, what does it use? Doesn't. He, she, it use doesn't. I, you, we, they don't. So you can say Mark doesn't. Mark doesn't like to play on the beach. And this one you can color. This one you can color because that's what you corrected. And answer 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's all for today, students. Thank you. Goodbye. That's all for our lesson today. Thank you, student. Goodbye.